Hi everybody, welcome to SMR Telugu Education. Next one is string reverse without using str rev function. This is the target. So how to calculate the string reverse without using str rev function. First you have to take a string of size, any size. Here the string is address is 500, 501 and up to next here the string is ABCD. Here you have to find out the ABCD E F G H and the null character. Here first you have to find out the what is the length of a string. Here what is the length of a string is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Here the length of the string is 9. So first one is 0, next one is 1, next one is 2, next one is 3, next one is 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 2 3 4, 0 1 2 3 5 6 7 8. So here the length of the string is 9, then indexes are length of a string is 8. Here you have to interchange the last character. This last character and first character. You have to interchange these two values. So first you have to calculate the length of a string. So how to calculate length of the string? So you have to take the base address. For suppose base address is into PTR 500. You have to increment the PTR up to the null character. You have to increment the PTR value up to the null character. Then the length of the string is 8. Length of the string is 8. Okay. First you have to write up to this. Alt F new F2 strrev dot c F5. So void main. So here declare the string char string str of some size 20 is equal to, so better to I am scanning the string printf enter any string. So gets of str. Okay, here you are entering. First you have to calculate the length of a string by using user defined function. Here I am taking string length. So return type is an integer str length length string length of. Here the parameter is you have to pass the string str, that means char asterisk of PTR. So initial length value is 0 into length is equal to 0. Each type you have to increment the length up to the null character. For no initialization asterisk PTR or PTR plus plus. So each time you have to increment the length plus plus. So return length. So this function calculate the length of a string. First you have to check up to this. So printf length is % d comma call this function strlength, length of str. So here the clear the screen, clr scr to clear the screen. So alt F9. Here missing the, so alt F9, yes, control F9. So I am entering A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. The length is 8. Alt F5, the length is 8. So control F9, I am entering A, B, C, D, E, length is 5. Alt F5, length is 5. Okay. I am commuting this code. After calculating the length, you have to interchange first 0th index and last character. Next, here please remember the length of a string is 8. Here the length of a string is 8, but here you have to interchange length minus 1, 7th index, and then 0th index. Here you have to interchange length minus 1 index and 0th index. First time you have to interchange 0th index and length minus 1. Next, second time you have to interchange these two values. Here you have to interchange 1 and then length minus 2. Next, here you have to interchange this value and then this value. Here you have to interchange 2, index 2, length minus 3. Next, here you have to interchange these two values. These two values. Index is 3. Next one is length minus 4. Length minus 4. So this interchange should be takes place up to half of the string. That means here the length of a string is 8. You have to repeat this loop up to the half of the string length by 2. So string length by 2. String length str by 2. So this can be repeated up to 0 to string length by 2. Here you have to interchange 0 and L, length minus 1, 1 and length minus 2, 2 and length minus 3, 3 and length minus 4. So next, here after calculate the string, so how to calculate string reverse? Take void main. So ask the end user to enter the string. So char str of some size 20. So printf enter any string. So gets of str. So first you have to calculate the string reverse. So string length. How to calculate string length? So you have to increment the character every time up to the null character. So no, return type is integer. Function name is string length. String length. Here the input is char asterisk of ptr. So initially I am taking the string length is equal to 0 and then increment the length every time one value. So ptr plus plus length plus plus. So return length. So this function returns the length of the function. This is called function definition. Here function declaration is, the return type is integer, then function declaration is optional. There is no need to write function definition or function declaration. Here you have to calculate the reverse of a string. First you have to write the function calling. So here name of the function is our wish. So string rev, string reverse of, here I am taking string. You have to pass string. This is called function calling. So no return type, void, function name string reverse. str is which type? Char asterisk of ptr. Here you have to calculate the string reverse of ptr. First you have to interchange. So here you have to interchange the length minus 1 index and 0th index. Next time first index and length minus 2 index. Next second index and length minus 3 up to the half of a string. So int length is equal to, how to call this function, string length of ptr. So this function gives the length of a string is 8. Now for index purpose, here I am taking I. For I is equal to 0, I less than string str length of ptr by 2, I plus plus. Here you have to interchange ptr of I comma ptr of length minus 1. Here interchange these two values. Here interchange ab values. How to write? A is equal to a plus b, b is equal to a minus b, a is equal to a minus b. Similarly, in a it is ptr of I, in b it is ptr of length minus 1. ptr of I is equal to ptr of I plus ptr of length minus 1. Next ptr of length minus 1 is equal to ptr of I minus ptr of length minus 1. Next ptr of I is equal to ptr of I minus ptr of length minus 1. So after interchanging these two values, you have to decrement the length value. Next index is 7th index, next 6th, next 5th. Here you have to decrement the length value. So after execution of this code, our string is interchanged. Reverse the string. Next after control comes here printing the reverse string is present in str. So F7 printf. Save this file with .c extension. So str reverse .c, so alt F5. Here first you have to declare this function. This is called a function definition. Whenever the function return type is integer, then function declaration is optional. Other than int, you have to declare the type. Declare the function. Return type is void. Function name is string reverse. Type is char asterisk. Char asterisk. This is called function declaration. Alt F9, yes, Control F9. First you have to check this one. So F7, Windows. So enter any string. I am entering A B C D E F G H. You are calling reverse function. So whenever you are calling string length, this function control comes here and calculate the length of this string. So Windows watch. Here the length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next condition false, out of the loop. This return value is replaced here. This return value is assigned here. Then now the length is 8. And the length is 8. So I value is 0. Here the length value is 8. Here you are interchanging 0 and length minus 1, 7. Once again calling this function. Once again this function returns 8. 8 by 2. Value is 4. 1 less than 4. Condition true. Then these statements are executed. So calculate length 8. Next here you have to interchange the first 0th value and 7th index. These two values are interchanged. A H. Next second time length calculated. Here the length is 7. Length minus 1 is 6. This value and B. These two are interchanged. Next length is 6. Length minus 1 is 5. This one C. These two are interchanged. So here interchange the each character. Alt F5, output is HGFEDCBA. Okay, so still you have any doubts, refer once again. Thank you for watching.